What's up guys, Galaxy S20 Fan Edition draw closer to release. Could sport 25 watt of charging. Samsung is preparing the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition for release, and after gaining approval from regulatory bodies including Bluetooth SIG and Chinese 3C certification, the company has now pushed the device closer to finish line by launching support page in Brazil and Germany. More specifically, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 4G SMG780F now has a dedicated support page in Brazil, whereas the support page of the German portal corresponding to 5G variant carrying a model number SMG781B. As usual, the support page doesn't reveal much about the device itself. Instead, the existence suggests that the market release is drawing near. That's not to say the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has a lot to hide. A seemingly complete spec sheet leaked last week, and there's a little unknown about this phone. The previous leaks revealed that the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 4G will have an Exynos 990 chipset, whereas the 5G variant will be coming with a Snapdragon 865 SoC. So the question arises, will the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition have 15 watt or 25 watt of charging? Unfortunately, we don't have a concrete answer regarding these characteristics. It was previously suggested that Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be limited to 15 watt, but according to tipster Subhanshu, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will benefit from 25 watt of charging. This would make a whole lot of more sense given that even the lower end Galaxy M devices supported 25 watt of fast charging. As to when the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be released, an earlier reporting back to July claimed that Samsung will bring the Fan Edition devices to the market in October for roughly $750. The company reportedly planning to ship 5 million Galaxy S20 Fan Edition unit by the end of 2020. Either way, Samsung is clearly preparing this Fan Edition device for market release in Brazil and Germany at the very least. So guys, that is it in this particular video. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.